Lehman Brothers, one of the largest investment banks in the world, based in the United States, that operated from 1850 to 2008. The Lehman Brothers Company provided a range of financial services, including investment banking, trading, assets management, and private equity. Unfortunately, on September 15, 2008, the Lehman Brothers filed with bankruptcy, and becoming the most remarkable event in the world, especially in the crisis of financial history. The bankruptcy of Lehman Brothers had far-reaching consequences and is often considered a catalyst of the severe economic downturn that followed. So how the Lehman Brothers Company, one of the most biggest financial firms, become bankruptcy on 2008? The collapse era of Lehman Brothers. Investment in mortgage securities has been the mainstay for the Lehman Brothers Company's profits. But unfortunately, it will become the backlash for the company because that investment will be ultimately destroy the Lehman Brothers legacy. This is because Lehman Brothers took a big risk by investing more deeply in mortgage securities because of the opportunity in the rapid growth of the housing sector until the company reported excellent earnings from 2004 to 2007. The company's confidence continues to rise as it gains support from several lenders that provide subprime loans to meet large investment in mortgage securities. This is what caused the collapse of Lehman Brothers. The first quarter of 2007 was the beginning of the dark moment for Lehman Brothers when the housing market began to suffer. The company's brokers took a risky move while Lehman Brothers continued to increase investment in the real estate market and also reportedly bought $100 billion in securities and mortgage-backed assets. After the Lehman Brothers took that action, we can see the early signs where Bear Stearns, which also an investment company, collapsed first because they cannot survive. Finally, on September 2008 was the end of Lehman Brothers when the company's stock plummeted and investors no longer placed confidence in the company. When trying to save the company, Bank of America (BOA) and Barclays Bank was said to be involved as the last-ditch effort in takeover of Lehman Brothers but failed. After the end of Lehman Brothers legacy, the US government took 5 steps to avoid this incident to ever happen again, which is first one here, second one, third one, fourth, and fifth. Troubled Asset Relief Program (TAP) is aimed to inject capital into struggling banks and improve liquidity in the credit markets. Dodd-Frank Act is aimed to enhance financial regulation, increase oversight of financial institutions, and establish measures to prevent future financial crises. At least strengthening regulatory oversight by implementing stricter regulation to improve risk management practices, increase capital requirement, and enhance transparency in the financial sector. Fourth, the bank stress test is used to evaluate the financial health and resilience banks and ensure they have sufficient capital to manage the potential risks. Volcker Rule is complementary to Dodd-Frank Act, which rule aims to separate commercial banking activities from riskier investment activities. Thank you for watching and bye. Assalamualaikum.